If you are working in a document online, you will notice that every time you make a change, your work is automatically saving. So for instance, if I came up here and I went and changed the color, you could see that that has been saved. There might be times where you're working on a document and you want to keep the original but make changes to another version of it. You're able to now do this in the online version by going up to the File button and clicking Save As. When you do this, it's going to allow you to click Save As again to save a copy online. By doing this, you could rename your document, you could give it another version, and you could specify the place that you would like it saved to. So for instance here, I'm going to call this version 1. I'm going to choose the location, so it's going to be in my OneDrive in my Office 365 folder. If I wanted to save it into a different place, I could go ahead and click on that button, and I could select where I want it to go. So to review, you would go to File, Save As, click on the Save As icon. You would give your document a new name and click Save. After it loads, you will notice the name up top has changed. And now we're working on a separate version and the original document is still available. And I can see that by going back to my Office 365 OneDrive. You will now notice in my OneDrive I have the original document and I have the new document that has the V1 at the end of it. So that's a really easy way for you to make sure you're not writing over a document that you would like to keep the original.